I'm going to ask, maybe my director can put up the statement. We've just received the statement, this of course from the Federal Court of Switzerland pertaining to the castor issue that we spoke about with Stephen a short while ago. As you can see there, it says the Federal Supreme Court of Switzerland has ordered that the IAAF to, immediately suspend the implementation of the eligibility regulations against Caster Semenya, allowing her to compete without restrictions in the female category while her appeal is pending. And as we said in that conversation, that until the hearing is heard, basically, Caster should be able to run in any race that she deems fit, whether it's the 400 to 800, which was the one, mostly they were in contention with this regard. But what I am also hearing is that the appeal is set, not the appeal, rather the IAAF is set to return to the Court of Arbitration for Sport in the Supreme Court of Switzerland before the 25th of this month, where they're going to, basically set down their own information, basically, or questions on why they believe that the suspension of the implementation of the eligibility regulations against Caster should not be reinstated. But as I said, a story that we'll be tracking throughout the evening, and as far as that's concerned. So do stay with us right here on SABC News Channel as we try and get more information, of course, on this story that has got everyone, not only here in South Africa, but the world over, intrigued. Now let's give you some of our